Over the past decade, the number of system security threats have soared. As IT professionals scramble to stay abreast of the latest challenges in securing their environments, they must navigate an increasingly complicated playing field. New terminology has developed, further adding to the confusion. It is not uncommon for some to use words like worm and Trojan interchangeably these days. Privilege escalation. Software programs often have bugs that can be exploited. These bugs can be used to gain access to certain resources with higher privileges that can bypass security controls. Virus. The term virus has been used as a catch-all phrase for many threats. Essentially, a virus is a computer program that, like a medical virus, has the ability to replicate and infect other computers. Viruses are transmitted over networks or via USB drives and other portable media. Worm. A worm is a specific type of virus. Unlike a typical virus, its goal isn't to alter system files, but to replicate so many times that it consumes hard disk space or memory. Worm victims will notice their computers running slower or crashing. Trojan. Trojan horses, commonly referred to as Trojan, are programs. They masquerade as normal, safe applications, but their mission is to allow a hacker remote access to your computer. A particularly nasty Trojan is a keystroke logger that can be used to capture passwords, credit card numbers and other sensitive information. Spyware. Spyware usually invades computers through software downloads. Shareware and freeware downloads, in addition to peer-to-peer file sharing, are typical infection points. Like Trojans, spyware can pilfer sensitive information, but are often used as advertising tools as well. The intent is to gather a user's information by monitoring internet activity and transmitting that to an attacker. Spam. Some view spam as more of an annoyance than a threat. Still, legislation like the Can-Spam Act has been enacted to help combat the problem, so that view may not hold weight with many others. Spam is unsolicited junk mail. It comes in the form of an advertisement, and in addition to being a time waster, has the ability to consume precious network bandwidth. Adware. Similar to spyware, adware observes a user's internet browsing habits. But the purpose is to be able to better target the display of web advertisements. Logic bomb. You may have also heard the term slag code to refer to logic bombs. They are bits of code added to software that will set off a specific function. Logic bombs are similar to viruses in that they can perform malicious actions like deleting files and corrupting data. How to arm yourself against these threats? The list of system security threats is extensive and growing. A defense strategy that includes antivirus software, system patching and timely software updates are key to combating the problem. For system administrators and end users alike, understanding the differences between these threats are the first step towards being able to eradicate them. To protect against viruses, Trojans, worms, etc., an organization can use antivirus software. In addition to the antivirus software, an organization can also have control measures on the usage of external storage devices and visiting the website that is most likely to download unauthorized programs onto the user's computer.